What's up, YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video. So last Saturday on April 10th, Jordan Brand and Nike retroed the Jordan 5 Toro Bravo, or by the name that we all know it as, the Raging Bull. And guess what? Your boy got the dub on the Nike sneakers app. Yep, as you all know, it's few and far between when you actually catch a dub on anything on the sneakers app, so I'm pretty happy about that. And I do have the package in hand today, so I'm going to do the unboxing, and I'm going to hit you with the review. And we start right now. I would like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, spending your time with me and watching another video. We just recently passed 1,500 subscribers, guys, and I can't thank you enough for watching the videos, liking the videos, leaving comments and stuff like that. Every time you guys do that, it pushes these videos out in front of more people, and we've grown so much since we started 8 or 9 months ago, and I only have you guys to thank, and I really appreciate it. But if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, my name is James, and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could do that thing I like and destroy that like button for your boy, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop one of these bangers and you don't miss anything. Now, before these Raging Bulls dropped, I knew that these were gonna sell out and sell out pretty quickly, but they sold out, and they sold out pretty quickly. Now, this sneaker didn't retro for more than a decade, so there was a lot of people that went after the sneaker because they either didn't have the 2009 version or they just wanted to double up because they liked the sneaker that much. Now, I never had the 2009 version, and personally, I'm not the biggest fan of the Jordan 5 silhouette. I just think that they look silly on my feet sometimes. But the ones that I do have, you know, it's because I think that the colorway is really dope. So when I caught the dub on this one, I was pretty happy about it. And I do have the package. It just came and got it right from the sneakers app. So you got the Just Do It tape on there, Just Steal It tape. And I'm gonna unbox this for you now, and we'll take a look at it together. And like I said, I didn't have the 2009 one, so I mean, this wasn't like a must cop for me, but I'm pretty happy that I got it. Now, these do come in a special box, and it has this like wooden kind of look to it. Maybe look like a broken down log cabin or something like that. And it does actually say Toro Bravo on this side. I don't know if you can pick that up. You do get the Jumpman on the lid, and the size tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro, Varsity Red, Black, White, and this is a personal pair, size 8, and the retail price tag was 190 bucks. Inside the box, you do have your tissue paper. It does have that wooden look to it again, all over the paper. And here's our first look at the 2021 Raging Bull. BAM! Now, the first impression that I get holding these sneakers for the very first time right out of the box, this colorway bangs. I mean, the red is just so vibrant, it stands out so much. You do get this red suede that's pretty much over the entire sneaker. It's not the softest suede or anything like that, and I'm not a suede expert, so please don't roast me in the comments. You know what, go ahead if you want to. You do get the Stitch 23 right here, and that's really cool. I wish that they did that on every Jordan 5. I think it just looks dope. I don't know why they don't do it on every one, but you know, when they do add it, you know, it's pretty cool. Now, it is sort of pretty much the same color as that, so you know, it doesn't really stand out on the sneaker like other, you know, versions of the Jordan 5 do. But it is there, and it does look pretty dope. Starting here at the top, like I said, you do get that red suede that pretty much goes around the entire sneaker. You do get 3 black eyelets that go down the lace holes. In the middle of the sneaker, you will get this white part right here. And I actually like when they put something behind it, like the red, because, I don't know, even like the 4s and the 5s, if it's just white back behind it, they do tend to yellow. Now, this probably will yellow over time, but you know, when there's a different color back behind it, it does tend to not yellow as fast or not appear yellow as fast. On the midsole, you do get the black part right here. You do get an exposed air unit right there that's in a light smoke gray color. you do get this white part of the midsole right here in the middle with the red shark teeth, and then you do get this black part, this rubber part that goes around the entire front toe box. Now on the bottom of the sneaker, you do get that Jordan 5 classic design. On the front forefoot and the back heel, you do get that translucent blue. You do get a Jordan Jumpman here at the forefoot, and then in the middle of the sneaker, you will get this black part with the Jordan lettering. Now on the back heel of the sneaker, you do get a Jordan Jumpman that's in black. I wish that it said Nike Air, but they only really do that for OG colorways most of the time. So even though this sneaker did come out, more than a decade ago and it's being retroed for the first time in a long time, it's not an OG colorway. I'm not mad about the Jordan Jumpman on the back. I actually think it looks cool, but if it said Nike Air, it would be super dope. Now on the tongue, you do get this 3M material in silver, very nice feeling, and then you do get a black Jordan Jumpman right there. It does come with red laces, no other laces come in the box. I do think that this sneaker would look really, really dope with black laces, but they don't give you any. But this is something that I might throw black laces on actually, because I think that that would look super dope. Now behind the tongue, you will get this white tag that's stitched into it, and it does say Air Jordan in black. And then inside the sneaker, you will get an all black sock liner with a black insole with that Jordan Jumpman in white. So this is my Jordan 12 reverse flu game. These came out around Christmas, a couple months back, like 4 or 5 months ago. And yes, these are reverse flu games. I had mine custom painted. But the reason why I brought this out is because the suede that's on this, especially on the front toe box here, is very similar to this. So if you didn't get this sneaker, but you do have this one, the suede is pretty much the same. So, just to give you guys, that little bit of information in case you weren't aware. Now, when it comes to these Jordan 5 Raging Bulls, I like this sneaker a lot, you know what I mean? Like, I definitely don't regret picking these up at all. But is this a must-cop sneaker? In my opinion, it's not. I mean, if you missed out on these, you can easily just move on to the next thing. Now, if you really do want to add it into your collection, I'd probably hold off for a couple of weeks. There's a lot of retailers that still didn't get their shipment in yet. So, you just might want to keep an eye out for restocks just in case, some pop up in your area or on a Flex app or something like that. You know what I mean? Because that's only $190. Now, currently, these are sitting on the resale market to be around like $300 depending upon size, maybe a tad bit less. You know what I mean? Like, I would hold off, just for right now, just to see what happens with the restocks. Now, if you pick this sneaker up to flip it, maybe resell it, maybe get another sneaker that you want, I'd probably sell these right now. You know what I mean? I'd probably sell them, a lot quicker than just holding them for months and months and months and stuff like that. I don't think this is ever going to be a $400 or $500 sneaker. Maybe, 10, 15 years from now, especially if they don't retro these again. But, I would probably sell these right now. But that's not what I'm going to do because I wear my sneakers and add them into my collection. So this is staying with me. But, I do like the sneaker a lot, guys. You know what I mean? Like, thankful to hit on the Nike Sneakers app. We all know that that doesn't happen very often. So, you know what I mean? I'm just going to enjoy this dub. Hopefully, you know what I mean? I'll have a lot more dubs, in the future. But for right now, like, I'm pretty happy with this. I would like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching another video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, deuces.